y'all, it's me, Kyler. Yeah, Paul, come in.
What's up, my fans? My chef and chefess, it's Chef Cheney. I'm still here, but Kyler, this is his show.
So, basically, we're making cake pops today. Well, it's like a 2-day process. So, we're starting today, and then we're going to go until tomorrow. And then, yeah, so first, I have eggs. Don't mind the background noise. I have the eggs right here. And so now we're just going to pour them in. Stuff like that. And then, yep, now let's pour that in. Then we have milk. As you can see, it's just milk. Everybody's drank milk before. And yeah, we're gonna pour that in now. And then now we have sour cream. I'm not sure why we have sour cream for this, but yeah. So then we're just gonna, shoot. And so then now we're just gonna put that in there, just like that. And we'll just put that to the side over there. And then we have vanilla extract. How much do I pour?
Couple drops. Oh, that's it.
Okay, and so then that's it. Come up here. You can show them. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, it smells so good. That's what it looks like now. That smells good, guys. Okay. And then now we have super moist cake mix vanilla. And yeah. And then I just have to pour this in here. Hey y'all, so now we're stirring. As you can see me, you have to, use your muscles a little bit. I'm all over the place, so don't mind that. I'm all over the bowl, but the more that you stir, the more like it won't be as lumpy. Okay guys, so now we have to carry this over to the, or whatever. Just don't mind it, okay? Thank you. Hello there, we're back. We just I took it out of the oven. And now, I'm gonna cut it into 4, like, you could say sections. I'm gonna go like that, bow. Like, comment, rate my cutting, okay? Thank you. Okay, and then we're gonna go to this side. Okay, and then we're gonna go right through the middle. So now I'm gonna have to carry like the cake. Like, I'm gonna use my hands and like go down and then pick it up and then, drop it in. Just like that. Yeah, so now we're just mixing this, and then once it's done mixing, we're gonna like put it into a ball. We're gonna smash it until it's a ball. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator because this is overnight, because this is a 2-day process. See y'all, this is how you roll a cake pop. Dough for a cake pop. You just have to have the right consistency, and that's just key. But we're making 12 cake pops, and yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm dipping the stick inside of the chocolate, so when I put the stick inside of the cake pop, it will stick. Boom, just like that. Hey y'all, so we are back now. It is, we're just icing it. As y'all can see. Okay, and then you just take it out and you wait for it to just do all the dripping. And if it doesn't drip, then Hey y'all, we're back after the cake pops were made. As you can see, look at that. It's really good. Now I just have to go in for the bite. It tastes like a cake pop.
Did you do a good job?
Yes, I did. And I got the bluebell.
Oh, you eating bluebell.
Okay, bye guys.